Just at Tesco in Haydock, hunting down Hot Wheels. Let's go in, let's see what they've got. I'll see you in there. Right, well, we've got a nice big metal tin filled with mainline Hot Wheels in this Tesco. And at the very high price of £2.40 per casting. But Tesco do have that 3 for 2 deal, which does make them a great price of £1.60 each. So yeah, we'll be looking to get 3 castings if we can. Anyway, let's get started. First up, we've got the Toyota GR86 Cup. One of my favourite castings that was new for last year. It was the Tony Breedinger model. In my opinion, that is the better livery with the big Hot Wheels logo and light blue paint. This is from that Compact King set of 2025. Very cool casting. I do have the other colour variants, but I'm not a massive fan of this colour, so I'll probably leave this one. Let's see what else they've got. We've got a Cupra E-Racer, which is a new for 2025 casting. We did see a purple variant of this in the earlier cases, but I think this definitely does confirm that J-Case has made it into Tesco. So hopefully we can find some castings we've not got in here, but this is a very cool car. It does have Cupra written on the sun strip there. I have the first variant, but I don't want to take this one, so let's see what else they've got. We've got a, oh, nice! It's the 1995 Mazda RX-7 Drift. I've not seen this one out on the shelves before. In a very nice bright yellow with awesome checkered flag decal there. I do like the wheels on this, and I love the fact that they've got the nice big metal spoiler on the back of this thing. This is from that 70s versus 90s set, a very good set that was voted on in the forums by Hot Wheels collectors. I'll pop on screen how much of that set I've actually collected. Great car, very happy to see this one in the box. I'll definitely be taking that. Let's keep going. Very cool Hot Wings car, or Hot Wings. This is a nice big bottle of hot sauce, what seems to be the theme of the fast foodie set from the treasure hunt that I got from Home Bargains the other day. It's got how hot it is there as well, with the amount of chilies. We're 4 chilies hot out of 5 guys on this one. I don't collect a lot of fantasy stuff, but when I do like something, I do grab it, and I like this, so I'll be taking that. Let's keep going. Really nice black and gold colour variant of the Lamborghini Miura. I do really like this one. I think it's voted as one of the nicest looking cars ever. And you can see why. There's so much detail on the back of this thing with P400 SV on the license plate, and it's got the badge and the lights on the front end as well. Very cool casting. I do have this one in other colour variants, but man, this looks good, doesn't it? I'm going to take this. Let's keep going. Here's that really awesome Decidedly Go casting, which is a Magic 8 Ball. It does say it up here. So just like a Magic 8 Ball, you can turn this thing upside down, ask it a question like, are we going to find a super today? Give it a nice big shake and have a look. What does it say? Most likely. Okay. I hope you're right. Most likely sounds good to me. But yeah, it predicts the future. It's new for 2025, part of that Experimotor set, which if you look on the back of any Experimotor, it does tell you what it can do and how to do it. So yeah, very cool. Nice special feature. I do have this one a couple of times. I've got it open already, so I'll leave this here. What else have they got? I kept going past this, the 96 Dodge Viper GTS from the Then and Now set. The Then and Now set is one of my favourite sets. It's got the old version of a car and the newer version of the car in the set as well. So this will be considered as the old Dodge. But yeah, this is just a classic Viper, isn't it? It looks great. I did grab one of these from Home Bargains, but I do want to get another to open up. So yeah, I'll be taking this, guys. Let's see what else we've got. Max Steel with a nice big rip on the card here. And if you are looking to protect your castings and keep them on the card, guys, then I would advise to use car protectors. And the best ones in the UK have got to be Class UK. Let me tell you about them, guys. When you find a car that you really like and you want to keep it on the card in pristine condition, I would advise using Class UK car protectors. They're really easy to use. They open up like a clamshell, just like this. You pop the car inside, and there you go. Complete protection for your collection. I use them on all of my favourite cars so I don't get them damaged. Lee, who's the owner of Class UK, is actually a big Hot Wheels collector himself, and you can tell that he really does care about the product that he's designing. You see this lip here? Well, you won't find that on other car protectors. And what it does is it elevates the bubble so it doesn't get any scratches on the display, keeping the protector looking nice and clear. This is the short car protector, but Class also do long car protectors, premium car protectors, and if you go to the website, they've got ones for character cars, a full 5 set of premiums, and the new premium twin car protectors as well. You can use this code to get 10% off your first order over £30. Thanks to Class UK for sponsoring this video. Let's get back to it. So yeah, if you want to keep your cards pristine and not to look like this, then get yourself some car protector, guys. Yeah, I won't be taking this Max Steel. What else have we got here, guys? Oh, nice! It's the Mattel Dreammobile, which is celebrating 80 years of Mattel with that beautiful red paint that looks almost Spectra Flame, but I would probably say it's a little bit more red translucent or a candy red. We've got 1945 written on the back of this thing, 80 on the side, and Mattel. Very cool casting that has some great history to it. I think the Dreammobile was one of the first cars designed by Mattel ever. So here it is 80 years later. Part of that Celebration Racers set that celebrates different events from throughout the year, like Valentine's Day, Earth Day, National Women's Day. Very cool casting. Not seeing this one out there before, so I'm definitely taking this. And look, guys, we've actually got 2 of them. So I'll take both of them because I want to open one up as well and keep one on the card. Let's pop it over here. We're at the end of this box, it looks like now. We've got a Ford GT. Oh, it's the new Ford GT from that modified set of 2025. It's got the Baller livery on the side there for Baller exhaust. Wow, this has got some weight to it, guys. Nice big diffuser on the bottom there. We do have headlights, big racing stripe, nice livery. No detailing on the back, but it is very well tooled, this casting. I do like this, and I wouldn't mind collecting some more of that modified set. So yeah, I'm definitely going to take this one. We've got a Nerve Hammer, another Max Steel. Oh, that's the new colour variant of the Batmobile from H-Case, for all you Batmobile lovers. I'm not a big fan of the Batmobile castings. Yes, I like Batman. Yeah, I don't mind Batmobiles, but there's just so many of them to collect that I can't have that on my list of things to collect. I'm going for licensed cars most of all, guys. That's mostly what I'm going for, or some really unique stuff. But Batmobiles, cool, but I don't collect them, so I'll leave this one here. Have we got any? Oh, nice! It's the Porsche 911 Carrera Clip, which can be used as a keyring. Can you see that right at the back there? And I'll probably buy this and use it as a keyring, guys. I'd like to see more cars immortalized as a keyring. And you can see this is part of that Experimotors set, so it does show you on the back, like I said before, how to use it. So yeah, that's great. I like the red variant of this. This is cool. I do have, I think, the Zamac and maybe a white variant, but yeah, I'll take that. Right, we've got another Decidedly Go. Dragon Wagon, Draftnator, and last but not least, Drift and Brake. So the decidedly go didn't predict correctly this time, guys. We didn't find the super. Well, it said most likely, so maybe it didn't lie. Well, after tidying everything up, guys, I started looking around for where the premiums might be, and right at the end of the aisle here, there's actually a new display box for premiums, and it does say Hot Wheels driven to be legendary with a nice big backside of a skyline on there. Absolutely love that. Do like the look of this Porsche as well, and it does say 20% off for the premium castings, which makes them £7.20 rather than £9 in Tesco. That's great. We've got some Boulevard stuff in, like this 1969 Ford Mustang, but we don't have the Porsche Carrera, which I think is probably the one that a lot of people would be looking for. Still cool Mustang. What else have we got on this display? We've got Surf's Up, which is from the Silver Series, and that's £3.20 now rather than £4. Not a bad price, to be honest, and they do have the whole lot of that in. I love this Volkswagen Caddy. I think it looks great. Some very good detailing on this thing. Well, from the Silver line, you're always going to get good detailing, just not rubber tyres like on the premium stuff. We've also got another good Volkswagen Baja Bug, which has some cool stickers on the back window there. Very nice. Big, bulky Baja Bug, this thing. I do like that. And we've got some team transport, like this DMC DeLorean and the Rally Hauler. They're £15.20, was £19. I think that's a little bit cheaper than in Smith's. I think they're about £17 in Smith's. But there's not really any that I would take. Is there? This Toyota's not too bad, the Toyota Sora on the back of the hauler. That's pretty cool. And then we got some 5-packs as well. Do they have that Night Burners one? No, just some fantasy stuff. Very cool, but nice to see that we're getting some discount in Tesco's, and maybe, just maybe, you'll get in before anyone touches it. So yeah, very cool. Anyway, guys, let's have a little look and see what we got. Well, I think we found some great castings here today in Tesco. Is there anything I've left behind that you guys would have taken? Let me know in the comments, and I'll see you on the next one, guys. Happy hunting.